The arrival of ticks in the Ottawa area isn't a major surprise for us because we've been seeing a northward expansion of tick populations for the last several years, especially from areas in the northeastern United States where tick populations are established. So with climate change, we're seeing warming temperatures, which are permitting the survival and the reproduction of ticks further north. And as ticks are transported northward by migratory birds from areas where tick populations are established in the northeastern United States, they're now able to establish here in the Ottawa area, where we have a lot of suitable habitats that includes areas with white-tailed deer and other small mammal hosts that are able to sustain tick populations. So ticks tend to appear in an area before it's colonized by the Lyme disease bacterium. So it's possible to find ticks in an area that aren't infected with the Lyme disease bacterium in areas where they've recently been introduced or established. But it's really the small mammal community that's important for the transmission cycle of Lyme disease within the environment, because small mammals are the reservoirs, or the animals that contain the bacterium, that transmit it to ticks, and then ticks are able to transmit it to other mammals, including humans, when they feed at their next reproductive stage. My lab at the University of Ottawa is where we study vector-borne diseases. So these are diseases transmitted by arthropod vectors, mostly mosquitoes and ticks. And we have a 3-year project here around the city of Ottawa where we're studying ticks and Lyme disease. And what we're doing is collecting data on ticks in the environment, as well as human Lyme disease cases, and mapping these to better understand why different areas are more prone to tick establishment and potentially at more risk to human exposure for ticks and infection of Lyme disease.